is the iRobot Roomba 880. This is brand new technology. We introduced this in November of 2013. The biggest change in this, obviously, there's a new industrial design, but the biggest change that we have here is we have AeroForce technology, and what this does is it channels the vacuum directly to the floor. The biggest difference between this from any other Roomba or any other vacuum that you'll see is that there's no bristles. So that bristle brush is over 100 years old, and so by eliminating it, we're able to channel the vacuum power directly to the floor and eliminate any tangling. So there's no hair tangling in these brushes, or in these extractors, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So it has a 5 times more powerful vacuum than we had before. It has an extended life battery, so the battery lasts twice as long.
And the bin and the filter?
Yep, sure. So the bin is totally redesigned. It has a top load filter. So when you open the bin here, the filter pops out from the top, so it's very clean. You don't have to touch any of the dust. Tap it against the side of a trash can, and it pops back right back in. Closes up. The door and the emptying mechanism is also redesigned. The bin is bigger, and it packs a little bit better because of the additional airflow. So if I can bring you over here, I can show you an experiential booth. I can show you how the extractors work. So you see these chevron shapes drive everything to the middle of the extractor, and then it flips it up into the middle. So when I hit this button, you'll see the extractors. They're running off of the same motor that's in the robot, so you'll see how fast it's going. That we have over here. This is to show the airflow accelerator technology that we have. So basically, when you have bristle brushes, you're losing suction to the floor. So because you have a gap. When you close that gap, you accelerate the airflow. So that's basically what is going into the bin right now. So those extractors are counter-rotating.
And no brushes.
No brushes. That is the big news.